This is a great road for great rides, pure and simple. With deft skill, you flick your bike from left to right, the bends, the straights, the apexes. Now that's sweet. And this is part of the 4,818 miles of English strategic roads, including motorways, operated by the Highways Agency. Not so stimulating? But as a means to get painlessly from one great riding road to another, to the ferry for great riding abroad, or for riding instead of driving on business, trunk roads have their uses and their special challenges. Here are some hints and tips on how to make the most of it, not just for greater convenience, but, yes, actual enjoyment. Let's give it a go, pausing only to pay a quick visit to the Highways Agency's traffic information website. You can plan your way around traffic hotspots, incidents and roadworks. And it's free. The constantly updated real-time traffic conditions show the degree of delay. You can zoom in for more detail or out for the big picture. If you want to stop along the way for the latest updates, call 08700 660 115. We like to keep you informed. The information covers both motorways and A roads. If the prospect of a long motorway journey doesn't thrill you, make more of the network by combining motorways and trunk roads. You could say, use the motorway to pass large cities, and take the A roads for a variety of proper road riding. But beware on bends. A car about to overtake on a curving carriageway may not see you coming round the outside, nor you him. And on both motorways and trunk roads, you can entertain yourself by taking the Line and Sign Challenge. Yes, of course you know the highway code back to front. Which edition was that, by the way? So, can you answer this? What's the distance between each of the 3, 2 and 1 bar signs which count you down to a motorway exit? Answer, 100 yards. You should synchronize your speed with the traffic in lane 1 by the 3 bar sign. You know a broken white line marks the center of the road, but what does it mean when the lines lengthen and the gap shorten? Answer, hazard ahead. Do not cross it unless you can see the road is clear well ahead. Can you enter an area of stripes bordered by a broken line? Yes, if you absolutely have to, and you can see that it's safe to do so. But an area marked with chevrons and bordered by solid white lines is totally verboten, except in an emergency. You've seen these motorway gantry signs giving recommended speed limit or lane closure warnings. They're not there because someone has forgotten to turn them off. The information is still hot. These are the signs of things to come, the active traffic management system. As yet only operating on the M42, it automatically calculates the best speed to keep the traffic flowing and displays it overhead. The limits shown are mandatory and monitored by CCTV. The hard shoulder can be opened to traffic when needed to improve flow. You'll notice an extra speed sign over the hard shoulder lane. This becomes a red X when the lane is to be used for emergencies only. Also new on network are the traffic officers.
Hotel Alpha from November Echo 71 over.
They're not there to enforce the law, but to help. If a biker gets into difficulty, he or she should pull up either on the hard shoulder or a safe spot. CCTV or a passing traffic officer will pick up on it, and help will be on its way. Although the network carries 1/3 of England's traffic, only 1/10 of serious accidents involving motorcycles happen on it. The Highways Agency has been asking riders how to make the network safer still. As a result, they're working to reduce risks from safety fencing posts and skidding on steel manhole covers and raised road markings. Bikes also get special treatment when it comes to tolls, but free passage comes with a word of warning. Bikers might assume they can just follow the vehicle in front through, only to get clobbered by the descending barrier. This is what you should do. Come to a complete halt at the barrier. Make eye contact with the collector. Move off only when the traffic signal turns green and the barrier rises. Safe roads, reliable journeys, informed travellers. This is what the Highways Agency is for. And the network really does deliver safety to motorcyclists.